Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was feeling a little down on this rainy day, so I decided to put on some makeup. I'm using some new favorite products from YSL, who I'm partnering with for today's video, so if you want to join me for a makeup therapy sesh, just keep watching. A lot of you have been asking for a talking video since the past few ones have been silent, so I'm going to try a new format today where I do a chit chat get ready with me in voiceover form. First, I'm concealing my eyelids. The makeup today is going to be super simple, so if you were expecting a creative makeup look, this is not the video. We're probably not going to talk too much about the process and instead more about life updates, similar to Alyssa Ashley's makeup therapy videos. But yeah, how have you all been handling lockdown life? I used to think I could stay at home forever, and throughout all of this, I've realized I'm not as introverted as I thought I was. For the first few weeks, I really lost track of time. Since I couldn't go outside or to the gym, I didn't have an everyday routine anymore, and I started to feel really lethargic and apathetic towards everything. It's nice to take a break once in a while, and I'm grateful I can work from home, but I just felt so unproductive. So this week, I finally picked myself up and got back to waking up early and doing home workouts in the morning. It helps to do these with friends to keep each other accountable, so I've been FaceTiming my friends to work out together. I've never been a huge fan of FaceTime calls, but they've kind of grown on me. Now I try to call my family and friends whenever I can, and it makes staying cooped up a little more tolerable. For my new routine, I try to schedule FaceTime workouts at 8 a.m, so I'm forced to wake up at 7:30 a.m. I know a lot of us don't have to wake up early right now, so it's tempting to sleep in, but waking up early makes me feel a lot happier. If you've also been feeling down and unproductive, try waking up a little bit earlier. But I do want to stress that while it is important to keep busy, this is not a productivity contest, so if you need a break, take a break. Especially if you have the luxury to, don't feel pressured to overwork yourself. I wanted to try the Foxy Eyes eyeliner trend, so I'm using this really precise eyeliner pencil from Revlon in the inner corner. I'm applying falsies underneath my real lashes. My base routine has changed since my last chit chat get ready with me, so I'm gonna update you on some new techniques I started implementing. Starting with primer, I'm using the YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer. I've stopped using primer for my everyday makeup for almost a year now because I just didn't feel like it did anything and it was just an extra layer, so I ditched it. But when I posted this primer on my story, a lot of you responded saying this was your holy grail primer, and I can see why. It gives you that blurring effect without the dryness that comes with other mattifying blurring primers. I'm using the YSL Touche Éclat Concealer in the shade 2.5. Okay, so I know everybody's sleep schedule is messed up, but for the first couple of weeks social distancing, I really messed up my sleeping schedule. Like, it was a huge shift, and my dark circles got even worse. So putting on concealer now makes me extra happy. Aside from seeing the very visible sleep deprivation disappear, concealer or foundation has always been the most therapeutic part of makeup application for me. I just love watching people blend in their base makeup, especially when it's a perfect shade match. This concealer is more of a light to medium coverage, so it'll leave your skin with an enhanced natural coverage, very skin-like, which I love.
I'm hoping you'll say something. I keep on just feeling it's nothing. Wanna make you mine. Something these drugs don't.
I'm actually gonna skip setting the concealer with powder and move straight to contour. Recently, I put on a full face and did not set it since I knew I was just staying home anyways, and after 5 hours, my base looked like I had just put it on. But yeah, while you're staying home, you guys should experiment with different techniques just to see if something can work better for you.
I'm like, bro, you know we die in the end. I gotta go hit the road. Put on for I go to rest. You know my life be a movie. Directing, not watching them fool me. Mama still hated the rest. And get it, I get it, but I gotta go now. Think it's about that time I get my own house. Can't be staying this till we getting old now. Can't be living this life, I gotta slow down. I'm hoping you say something.
Another thing I've been playing with lately is applying a bunch of bronzer. Maybe I just missed the sun, but I like to apply this to my temples and blend it into my eyeshadow. For highlighter, I'm using the best golden highlighter. This is the Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in number 2. A little goes a long way with this. I've had this for 3 years and I'm nowhere near close to finishing it. For lips, I'm using Buxom's lip liner in Hush Hush along with my Anastasia Pro Pencil in Base 1. I really like Buxom's lip pencil formula. It's still in the pencil form that I love, but it's a little creamier than the NYX ones. I'm using 2 lipsticks today, both from the YSL Rock and Shine lipstick collection. There are 8 shades available, and I'm using number 1 Nude Solo and number 2 Cacao Bounce. You can see there's a little star in the center, which will add a subtle shimmer effect without the look of glitter chunks. These lipsticks are super hydrating, and I love the cute little shine it gives. I did not get quarantine bangs, by the way. A lot of you are wondering since I've been curling my baby hairs on my Instagram lately, so here's a quick tutorial. It's super easy. I just use my flat iron to curl my baby hairs downwards and inwards. You can also curl longer strands to frame the face. And I couldn't tell if I liked the foxy eyes look or not. I think it looks kind of weird on me, so I removed it, but let me know what you think, and this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching and chatting with me, and thank you again to YSL Beauty for working with me on this video. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in my next video.